Good morning, traders. Pete here. Welcome into another Trading Kitchen video. This will be the fourth or the fifth, I don't remember, video regarding futures, trading futures. So I create a playlist that you can find here on this YouTube channel. In this video, I want to better explain how to spot the trend reversal using volumes, using real volumes. Okay, so with the footprint chart. First of all, let me invite you to join this channel and help me to grow my community. So same old stuff, press the thumbs up button, subscribe the channel, ring the bell, all the same stuff I know, but I will really appreciate, and above all, use the comment section below to let me know what you think about this content. I have a free Discord group which I share my ideas for intraday and swing trading, educational content like this and the other videos that I found interesting on the web. Trading journal with the back test, sorry, like this. So you can find all my trades for future strategy in a total transparent way, in which you can see the trading view link. You can take a look my a screenshot of my platform, volumetric trading platform. So everything's for free. So I think it's such a kind of thing that few traders do, but this I suppose this could be good for you to improve your skills. Anyway, so quick video. This is live. We are on S&P. Okay, so just want to show you the trading view. Okay, so pre-US opening, so it's about 1 p.m. London, Rome time, my time. So we are before US opening, obviously, which are opening right by now, by the way. So volumes on S&P are lower, obviously, okay, because US is not open, but so all this kind of thing that I want to show you, it will so much better in when you have lots of volumes. So during the US session, if you trade obviously S&P or Nasdaq or something like that. Okay, so but anyway, it could be good also in pre-opening time. So as you can see, let's have a look of this movement here. Okay, we are 1 minute time frame, but everything could be all the things I will say now could be easily adapted in to every time frame. Okay, obviously I don't use this on 4-hour time frame, so I use this footprint chart only for intraday trading, so lower time frame basically, but the logic is the same because market is fractal anyway. So let's have a look what happens here. As you can see on the left side, so the same thing here, okay, with real volumes. So basically the process is very easy. I mean, you have to try to interpret what volumes are telling. So as you can see, we have a lot of imbalances here, so a lot of volume compared to all the numbers that you can see. So 139, 197, 128 are higher numbers. If you see all these imbalances, the yellow imbalances here means there are a lot of sellers that are pushing price down. Okay, look at the delta percentage. So we have a very high negative delta here. Okay, and the price confirmed this, go down, same thing here. Okay, with this imbalance. So when you see this kind of a movement with these numbers, what do you think? That next bar will strongly move down? Okay, the next 2-3 bars, because we have a lot of volumes here, and this did not happen. Okay, did not happen, basically for two reasons. The first reason, because market needs to breathe and to take volume again, untested volume here, to finally go down. And the second reason is because probably something different is happening. Okay, basically you have to wonder if the buyer's strength will be, how is behaving the buyer strength, okay, comparing to the seller's one. Okay, so after this bar, this candle, okay, you see and 10% delta with a strong 40.98. So basically this is a clear change. Compare these numbers with the other numbers you see here. There is no such a high numbers here. Okay, so 498 means that basically the delta, the variation, how delta is changing. Okay, from 408 you had 90 contracts, and you have so a variation of 40.98. Okay, so this is a strong bullish pressure here, which is not enough to go above the last structure that we do have. Okay, price return back, because we have this imbalance here. So another strong bearish force, bearish power here. 35, okay, of delta variation here, but there's not enough. Yes, there is a little break with this POC here. Okay, the structures is changed, but this is the tail. Okay, so it means something is happening here very strong. When you see the POC below the body of the candle, okay, and this is basically this is how the tail is generated, is created. It means that we have, even if the POC is red, we have a very strong bullish pressure. In fact, price goes up again, not able to break the structure here. But look at the color here. Color coding is truly important. You see here we have lots of red here, and then here for the first time we have a strong blue, okay, or gray. Means there is a lot of buyer pressure here. Okay, 468. Okay, so this and this 498 and 468 are the highest number that we can see on all this chart. okay, and are for the buyer on the buyer side. Okay, so here this is a good bell that must ring, a good alarm. Okay, but probably we have to wait for the price to retest to broke the structure. That is the last one that we do have before the last low. Okay, so this is the last, seller's strength that we do have, seller's impulse that we do have. Okay, then look at here, we have 179 of delta, 398 of delta changing, and 41% here. So probably, not the highest negative number, but one of the highest number on the seller side. But as you can see, look at the effort. So look at the result, a very high effort, a lot of movement, a lot of sellers coming in, but the result, nothing to do. The result is very, very low. Okay, so another pushing of buyers, and then finally we have this break of the structure here with a POC that finally broke this POC here. Okay, so this is another very strong confirmation. Okay, something is going to change. Okay, and this is something that you cannot, you can't see here. Okay, so structure has been changed, and you can wait for a retest here on the first untested POC, for example, for a trigger on just opening along here with the change of structure. But obviously this is a change of character. Okay, basically, if we speak about the smart money concept. Anyway, obviously this is not the rule. This is not how price the trend reversal is always developing, and obviously all this kind of analysis must be done inside a key zone, a key area. Okay, here probably we are inside the supply zone, demand zone, for example. Okay, and we have the first break of structure here, so here we have liquidity. Okay, so this is very important. But the one thing that I want to show you is here. Okay, so at a quarter to 3, so we are in pre-use opening, but there are so many contracts, a lot of volumes that already came in. So we are here. Okay, this is a very beautiful setup. Okay, that show you how trend is reversing. Okay, so same thing, a lot of buyers are pushing price up, and then we have this strong volume, buyer volume here. Look at the delta, 1086, 1140 of delta change. Okay, and 41 of percentage. Okay, here. So the strongest numbers, the highest number here. So what does it mean? We are on a breakout, or something is changing. Okay, and after this bar with this huge volume, I expect a strong movement, so up movement. Okay, that didn't come. Why? Because all this volumes, all this buyer became trapped buyers. Okay, and immediately price moved down, breaking the last climax, this one that we do have, switching of the POC, and this is a clear trend reversal. Okay, it doesn't mean that now price is moving down, but it means that sellers are taking control of the market, and this was a clear absorption. Okay, look at the red numbers. So for example, 1020 to 1225 of delta change here. Okay, after this huge climax means that if the price will break the structure here above, means that price is going down, is going up. If do the same here down, okay, after below this imbalance here, this buyer imbalance here, means that probably price is going down or is going to grab the liquidity here, for example, because we have an untested POC here with strong volume. Okay, but this is not happen. A lot of seller imbalances here, and price is moving down. Okay, so we were here, price moving down. Okay, on the next close to the next demand zone, which is here. Then we have a US open. Okay, here. But the key was this buyer volumes here, and all this volume, huge volume imbalances. Okay, this buyer imbalances here. Okay, that must be confirmed. Okay, if after this volume price is going up, okay, breaking of the structure means that that buyers win. So buyers won the fight, won the battle. So we probably have 3, 4, 5 or an whole session bullish. Okay, if this not happen and you see a lot of seller imbalances and broke the structure and breaking the structure here with the retest, a lot of negative number, red number here, it means that this are all trapped buyers that usually could be used as a stop loss. Okay, because it means the market doesn't want to go above here. Okay, so this POC is a very crucial point. Okay, so guys, that's enough for this video. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think about using the comment section below, and yeah, it's enough. See you in the next video. Thank you.